All right, it's time for an update. So we know the cabinets are here, 18-inch with drawers, 30-inch base cabinet, 18-inch with drawers. And we got the stove. That came with the place. Cute little tiny stove. And it's great for cooking eggs and bacon, I guess, and whatever you'd want to do on a stove. So, peeled all this off, and now I have my electric. I'll have the switch for when you come in, it turns on the power to all these lights. Have this electric outlet I want to put on the side of the cabinet here because there's not much counter space, and I want to keep the outlets as far as possible from the sink, even though they're going to be on a GFI, but still have it mounted way over here. This way, if you needed to plug in a little appliance or toaster or something, it's on a short cord and it's not near the sink. Over here, well, the stove has to have a plug because it has an electronic clicker igniter. And up here is the power for the microwave. There'll be a 30-inch hood vent microwave. And yeah, that's good for this weekend. I decided to cover this whole wall in 1/2-inch plywood, so it's just easy for me to mount everything to. That'll be strong enough for me to put screws into, and I could hang anything off of that, including the microwave. I'll look for the beams, but still, even if you're screwing into plywood, that's going to be pretty strong. What else? Oh, of course, the Super Genius Power Move. I think I'm going to have to change my company name. I'm going to have to change the company name to Super Genius Enterprises. Because I fixed the furnace after researching it. Pow! Go on. So that is the fan motor. Brings fresh air in, goes through here, brings fresh air in from the chimney, and someplace probably right about now the igniter is coming on. Once the igniter is glowing, probably within the next 5 or 10 seconds, we will hear this. We will hear the gas valve open and introduce gas over the glowing. There it is. Just heard the click. Pretty soon the fan will come on once it senses the heat. Come on. Come on, you can do it. And here is the where are they? The flame sensors, the heat sensors. There's one over there, and there's another one. Where's the other one? I forgot already. Seriously, where is it? There's 2 flame sensors. That's crazy. Where's the other one? I really don't remember already. Oh, it's inside here. No wonder. And there we go. Heat's working. Kick this back down again. Click. So that just turned the gas off. And the fan will keep running until the firebox is cool enough. And that's that. Over here on the tedious work, my more everyday stuff is just sanding joint compound. This little dude really was a big help. See this? It's got a bag on it. That means this thing starts spinning and blowing dust everywhere, even though it's supposed to put it in there, but still, a lot of dust gets blown around. This, on the other hand, simply vibrates, has no dust collection, and the dust just falls like you were hand sanding it right down to the floor, because believe it or not, this dust is a little bit heavy, and if you don't make it too airborne, it just falls down right where you're working on it. So that was a big, big, big help. I mean, I'm not a taper, but we do a lot of painting repairs, and I mean, we got a pretty fair hand at it. This is nice and soft and smooth, and I compounded this 3 times, but you know, if you're not an everyday taper, you tend to, and everybody falls into this, putting a little too much joint compound because you want to cover imperfections and things. And I guess I'm guilty of that too, but I tried to keep it very sparing. Some tapers do such a nice job that you just walk over and you just, and then you're ready to paint. Just a little light sanding. All right, that's enough about taping and compound. And there's my Super Genius. There, it just got cool enough. What else did we do? Oh yeah, this was no small deal. Mountain of trash. Boom. I mean, still looks like a mess back there. And I realized I was going to ditch those tires, but when it's time to get rid of this thing, you got to have those tires because it'll help with rolling it away. Both of these places eventually are going to be replaced with nice legitimate houses. I don't know, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, probably 2,000 square feet. Yeah, both of these will be replaced with that. And, well, yeah, just moving right along. These gas cans are what fires the heat. And they last a surprisingly long time. Like, in the middle of winter, you could use this for the entire weekend, just blasting it. And it'll last longer than 2 days. I mean, that's $25, but still. Usually you get 2 or 3 weekends out of it. What else? No avalanche? Oh yeah, we're gonna have an avalanche. There's the truck, it's full. And I need my gloves because I'm gonna put some more stuff on top. And if I open this other door, I have a feeling all this is gonna fall out, so I gotta be ready. Yeah, I'm gonna stuff some more stuff in there. There's plenty over on the side. I can get some more of that stuff in here. All right, so tomorrow going to the dump. Nice Veterans Day weekend. Got a lot done. I guess that's it. Later.